conducted a survey for the class and I needed to know what kinds of water my class drank. When I conducted this survey, I was given about 16 different types of water brands and I narrowed it down to the top three. That would be Niagara, Fiji, and Smart Water. Niagara was at the top of the class with 44%. Fiji was second with 24%, and Smart Water was last with 16%. The purple margin is where the class chose other different types of water brands. In conducting the taste test experiment, people chose Fiji and Smart Water more. They were both described as thin, soft, light, and smooth. On the contrary, Niagara was described as metallic, thick, plain, and it tasted like tap water. There are differences because Fiji and Smart Water are purified differently than Niagara. Fiji and Smart Water are vapor distilled waters, and Niagara is reverse osmosis water. Reverse osmosis and vapor distilled water are two different types of water purifying methods. In reverse osmosis, water is demineralized or completely or almost freed of all minerals by pushing it under pressure. During vapor distillation, water is purified by being boiled, evaporated, and lastly condensed. During reverse osmosis purification, water is put under pressure on one side. The water is then going through the reverse osmosis membrane where the water is freed of all minerals, or almost all of the minerals, and comes out through the other side as pure drinkable water. Vapor distilled water is heated up and it forces the water to turn into vapor. The vapor then goes through a pipe system that stops at a steam compressor where the steam that is already purified turns itself back into water and therefore comes vapor distilled water. Reverse osmosis water is important because it contains no harmful minerals and is pure drinking water that is safe to consume. Vapor distilled water is also important because it is purified naturally, not artificially. Vapor distilled water is able to absorb toxic substances from the body when consumed due to the fact that it is free of dissolved minerals like salts. Vapor distilled water is better. Not only are you drinking water that is already healthy for you, but this type of water helps eliminate toxic substances, which is just another positive effect of vapor distilled water.